Martin Lewis, 45, money-saving expert, revealed why you should get car hire excess insurance before you go away in order to save up to 80% on ITV show This Morning. He explained, often when you're at the kiosk picking up your car they'll try and scare you into getting excess car hire insurance, saying hey SEN tilde you need excess insurance too, if not and there's a problem, you pay €1,000. I can't tell you how often I've hired a car and wanted to intervene when I hear this happening next to me, yet this insurance can cost as much as €20 a day, so to avoid it get standalone cheap excess insurance before you go for as little as £2 per day. He recommended the Money Maxim comparison site for finding a cheaper car hire policy, although he warned, though be aware that if you do book this way, hire firms may still say you still need to pay us, and this is true. ITV Martin Lewis, money-saving expert, book car hire before you go on holiday. He advised Martin Lewis, money-saving expert, explained how to slash the cost of going abroad on holiday. You'll need to pay a deposit of €600 to €1,350 on a credit not debit card, from which they'll take the cost of any incidents. Yet, you can then reclaim the cost on your standalone insurance policy. Martin also advised to book car hire as early as possible in order to slash the cost, and said, don't leave it to the last minute. If you do, you could pay massively over the odds. For example, walk in now, and if they've got spare cars, you could pay £40 per day, yet book now for August and it can cost as little as £8 per day for Tenerife and £13 per day for Malaga. ITV Martin Lewis, money-saving expert, you can buy standalone cheap excess insurance for £2 a day. Thursday, February 9, 2017. ISA advice from Martin Lewis. Martin Lewis also had further tips for viewers, including checking your passport before you travel. Check your passport. EHICs are valid. Most passports are valid for 10 years, but some countries require you to have at least 6 months left on yours. If not, you can be refused entry. So don't delay. Check both yours and your children's now to see whether it'll still be valid when you travel and the rules for that country. Plus, over 5.3 meters EHIC cards are out of date. Check point 9 on yours to see. To renew, go to the EHIC website. Don't Google it, could be a site tricking you into paying a charge. If you have to pay, you're in the wrong place, or call 0300 330 1350. Long-haul flights are cheap now. When it comes to flights, booking earliest is usually cheapest, no guarantee though, and there are a number of big airline sales on at the moment for a long haul, including BA and Virgin. So if you're planning to fly in 2018, now's likely a good time to book, though if going later in the year, check all carriers on your route have released tickets for then. For short-haul flights, now is less key, but early is generally good. If you are looking in general, the best way to compare is to use a couple of comparison sites. My Top Picks. A kayak allows you to filter based on card, baggage fees. Skyscanner, particularly strong coverage of budget flights, and Momondo, helpful insights such as cheapest airport to fly from. 2. ITV Martin Lewis, money-saving expert. He also advised viewers to book car hire early to slash costs, or if you're going away for 7, 10 or 14 days to a popular destination, a package holiday often beats separate flights and hotel, so don't forget tour operators. And for hotels, once you find what you want, the likes of Trivago and Hotels Combined will check if that's your cheapest hotel, and check TripAdvisor for reviews. Get your travel insurance ASAP as soon as you book it. I can't stress this enough. Far too often people say things to me like, just found I've a breast lump and need treatment. My airline won't refund my ticket. No insurance. What can I do? I always ask if they've got travel insurance, but the answer is often I was going to get it before I go. Half the point of travel insurance is to protect you if something happens before and you can't go on holiday. So as soon as you've booked your holiday, book your travel insurance too. If not, you won't be covered should anything happen beforehand, such as an illness or cancellation. There are many cheap, decent value policies available online and via comparison sites from as little as £9 for a year's European cover for an individual. If you go away 2 or more times a year, annual policies are usually cheaper. You can find more tips from Martin Lewis to save money on your holiday here.